adventure of the year.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road.
Hi, Papa.
Above the rest, you're the best I know.
You having fun?
You are my favorite shade of rose. A flower bed on my favorite stones. I love the ground where your roots have grown. You're my favorite place.
Do you love camping?
Yes.
Just yes or
Yes! Yes!
Alright.
You are my favorite kind of glow. You radiate my favorite tone. You shed a light that guides me home.
Good morning!
You are my favorite place to go.
Put your thumb right in there, Scott. All right.
These are my boys. Ryan's like, please.
Straight for the shore.
We're heading
Yeah?
straight for alligator
We're
street.
heading straight. You love the ending.
You are my favorite kind of glow. You radiate my favorite tone.
Whoa, that's art.
You
I'll take
shed
that.
a light that guides me home. Favorite place.
Will you remember me in a second?
Yeah?
Will you remember me in a minute?
Yeah?
Will you remember me now?
Yes?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
You already forgot me? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Joke.
Joke who?
Joker, I'm coming away!